guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I get my hair to look like this. So you guys will be able to see my whole process. I just sprayed my hair with some heat protectant spray. This is the TRESemmé Heat Tamer, which protects against heat damage, and it's a leave-in spray. So it's super duper good. It's heat protection up to 450. I love this stuff because it makes my hair super smooth. And then I'm just going to brush out my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair down the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and put a hair tie or a hair elastic right at the bottom of one, like so. This makes the whole process so much faster. You're not going about your whole head doing craziness, and it gives you a really nice look. The curler that I'm going to be using is the Sapphire 8-in-1 from Irresistible Me. So what I'm going to do right now is just section these off into little tiny pieces and start curling them. So you can alternate directions if you'd like to. You don't have to, but it's cool if you do. So just like so. Hold it for a couple of seconds and then let it go. And you have a perfect curl. And then you just do this to all of the sections. Just like that. And if you would like to keep the curl even more, you can totally just hairspray them too. If you do want to do your hair with a little bit more volume, you can actually put your hair in like a unicorn pony basically, which is just like right at the top of your head. Flip your head over and curl those pieces, and when you let it go, it gives you like a really nice voluminous curls. So that's also something that you can do as well. I can do another video sharing with you how I do that. So I'm just going to continue doing this on both sides. To keep these curls in place, I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with this Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play Volumizing Hairspray. It's super good. I love it. So I'm just going to spray. You don't want to use too much of it because it can get like really like hard. So that's how you know this is like a legit. But I just like to spray it and then just scrunch my hair a little bit and then leave that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these elastics out. Just like so. You can see your hair. You can shake it up a little bit. Oh, and then what you can do is go ahead and do some face framing pieces. So right up here where the hair is, just go ahead and wrap it. So when you're wrapping your hair, make sure you're pointing the barrel downwards and not horizontally downwards. So that way your curls or spirals can fall in a downward manner and you can have that like little curve there. You have a whole look. And then I like to keep this back here. This one I think I need to curl the other way. You can flip your hair and have it go whatever direction you want. So afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little bit of this Moroccan oil just to kind of keep it down. I guess I could style it right now. I was planning on putting my hair up today, so I think I might just do that, so I don't think I need to curl it anymore. I personally like top buns. Not everyone can rock them, but I feel like I'm fortunate enough to be able to rock them. I really like it. I love this look. I think it's so cute. I love this look. So just like that, make sure it's centered. I'll put another bobby pin in. I think this look is gonna be really cute with my makeup that I'm gonna be doing, because my makeup is gonna be a little bit more edgy with curled hair. I like it. I also like the top bun because it's different. Not a lot of people do it. This is the finished hair look. Now I'm going to go finish off my face and I'll be right back to end the video. Hey guys, so unfortunately I did not end up ending the video, but I wanted to insert some pictures right here for you guys to see the different ways that you can style this tutorial and this technique that I shared with you. If you would like to see the pictures closer up, don't hesitate to follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe, and make sure you guys subscribe for more videos right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See ya!